Here is the column we are working with. As you see, each cell contains some kind of symbol, an ampersand or an asterisk or anything else. Our goal is to split each value into 3 columns: the text before the first symbol, the symbol itself, and the text after the symbol. But that symbol and its position can be different in every row, so we need something flexible. Let's write this in Power Query, and I'll explain everything as we go. I will start by using table.transformcolumns function. Basically, we are telling Power Query, take the ID column and for each value do something to it. The each keyword means apply the logic to every row in that column. Now, what logic are we applying? We are about to write a let-in block, just for this one cell. The underscore symbol here represents the current ID value from the row. Let's break the value into parts, starting with the symbol. Let's pause on this. We want to find the first special symbol that appears. We don't know which symbol it is. Could be any of these 4. Here's how we do it. Text to list. This turns the string into a list of characters, so we can check each one individually. List position of any looks through the list and tells us the position of the first match. And then we will use text middle function. Once we know the position, this gives us the character at that position, in other words, the symbol itself. Now that we have the symbol, we can split the string. 2 simple functions. Text.beforedelimiter gives us everything before the symbol, and text.afterdelimiter gives us everything after it. Both functions take the symbol we just extracted and use it as the split point. Now we return the 3 values as a record. What we are doing here? We are taking the 3 values we created: before symbol, symbol, and after symbol. Then we wrap them in a record using a record from list. We also name the fields right here: before symbol, symbol, and after symbol. So at this point, each cell in the ID column is no longer a single text string. It's now a mini record with 3 fields. Now the next step. Let's expand that record into proper columns. And now we have 3 clean columns. That's a technique you can reuse a lot. If this was helpful, give it a like. See ya!